people, I hope you are doing fantastic. This message is for all the ICSE class 10 students, those who are going to appear in the session of 2021 as well as 2022. I am very delighted to express right away that yes, the syllabus has been reduced in each and every subject. So I have come in front of you while tackling the mathematics subject, in which the syllabus has been completely reduced. What are the chapters and which has been deleted, what are the page number which has been deleted, what are the chapters which has not been deleted, which are the important chapters which you need to give a lots of time for the board examination of 2021-2022. So without making any delay, let the video get started. I'm very delighted to express right away. Yes, children, I am very delighted to express right away that the chapters which has been deleted and the chapters which has not been deleted, which I have written over here, that see, I have made 3 columns. The first column stands for the chapters not deleted. That means you have to read when as it is. That means there is having not a single deleted of the particular chapters. Then the second column I have made the chapters partially deleted. That means the chapter which has been deleted, half of the chapters has been deleted, half of the portion has been deleted for the particular chapters, right? And at the end, third chapter, that is the chapter completely reduced. So let us start with the chapter number 1. The chapter number 1 stands as a GST, right? The GST is not at all deleted. That means you have to read as the entire as it is. The chapter number 1, you have to read it thoroughly. Not only chapter number 1 but also chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 stands as a banking. Banking also you have to read it very thoroughly in an easy manner. But chapter number 3, share and dividend. Share and dividend is completely removed. My children, please note it down as soon as possible. Take a pen and paper in front of you and just note it down as soon as possible. Chapter number 3, share and dividend has been omitted, has been deleted. In the same way, chapter number 4, linear equation, you have to read it in an easy manner. Chapter number 4, linear equation, not a deleted syllabus. Everything has been remaining as it is. Chapter number 4. See, few of the things has been deleted in these chapters, but I am not saying everything. Because why I am not saying? Because if the few of the things you will not read, that means you cannot prepare well, right, for your entire exam. That's the reason I am saying to read its entire details. So let us start with the chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 stands as a quadratic equation. You have to read it. Chapter number 5 stand as a quadratic equation. On some problems also there is having a problem. The chapter number 6 also you have to read it. Chapter number 7 stand as a ratio and proportion. In the particular chapter of a ratio and proportional, partially has been deleted. What are the partially has been deleted in the ratio and proportion, I will be saying you in the later on, in the later after a couple of minutes, right? Chapter number 8, remainder and factor theorem. Yes, chapter number 8, remainder and factor theorem, you have to read it as it is. Chapter number 9, matrices. Yes, children, you are listening from me correct. That is matrices. It is not a matrices. It is not a matrices. Matrix is a singular, matrices is a plural. So matrices, if you are looking after me, if you are watching it, so matrices is the correct form of English. So matrices, chapter number 9, no deleted. Chapter number 10, epi, no deleted. Everything you have to read as it is. But chapter number 11, GP, is completely removed. Chapter number 11, GP is completely entire removed from your subject of mathematics. Chapter number 12, reflection, you have to read it. 13, midpoint section formula, you have to read it, no deleted. Chapter number 14, equation of a line, you have to read it. Chapter number 14, but chapter number 15 has been partially deleted. This is all about similarity. Similarity is a lengthy chapter, I can say. Many of the theorems and all which generally comes in exam. Theorem, just I will be talking about theorems, right? I will forget then after later on. Chapter 15, similarity is very lengthy chapter, but I personally don't like similarity. Do you know why? Because many theorems are there, many you have to draw the figures, you have to prove it. So proving is very, I don't like the particular chapter, but for me algebraic part is very important and I like the personally. Anyway, that is all about chapter 15, similarity. Partially remove. What is the partial remove? I will be talking about later on. Chapter number 16, similarity. Chapter number 16 is all about loci. Loci also you can say, loci also so you can say, right? So chapter number 16 is all about loci, has been completely deleted. Chapter number 16, loci has been completely deleted, right? Acha. So chapter number 17, circle. Everything you have to read it as your own. 17, personal favorite chapter. 18, tangent of a circle. You have to read it. Chapter number 19 has been again completely reduced. Construction, no need to read the construction which has been deleted. Construction. Chapter number 20, mensuration. The most important part of the mensuration has been deleted. I will be talking about later on. Chapter number 21, height and distance as well as trigonometry ratio. Trigonometry is 21. 22 is height and distance. You have to read it, no deleted. Acha. Chapter number 23, I think that chapter number 23, like graphical representation, ogive, histogram, everything you have to read it. Very important, as well as very, getting a very good marks in this particular chapter. Very easy and very getting graphical, because see there is having a very good concept also. 80 marks paper. Out of 80 marks paper, your the CBS Icse is divided into two types: part 1, part 2, section 1, section 2. In the section 1, 40 marks is mandatory, compulsory. Out of the second part, and this part from here, guaranteed 1 4-marker as well as 3-marker. 4-marker or 3-marker question generally comes from the 23 chapter, because in the chapter number 23, what is there? Graph is there. Generally graph comes in exam, right? If the graph comes in exam, generally probability of getting the question from here is chapter number 23. Very important. I will be talking about later on when the exam will come. Do not worry. So for more details, keep watching the channel, right? Anyway, chapter number 24 is all about statistics. Something has been deleted in this statistics. What it has been deleted, I will be talking about later on. Chapter number 25, probability. That means 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 25 has to read completely. You have to prepare well for the chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 chapters complete. You have to study. No omission. I can say no omission. No omission. Everything you have to read. No omission from this particular chapter. But 4 chapters has been deleted. 4 chapters has been deleted. 4 chapters is completely removed. Yes, now the main important, the 4 chapters is there, in which what you should not read. Chapter number 7, ratio and proportion. In the ratio and proportion, application of proportion you should not study. You don't need to study application of proportion. Application of proportion, one of the important, and generally in case of ratio and proportion, application of proportion generally from the proportion random question. Board exam generally they ask application of proportion, no need to study. If you wanted to know the page number of Emil Agarwal or Constance Selina, you can drop a comment near the comment section. If not, you can follow my Instagram. Here it is, right? If not, generally come to the Telegram. You will be getting a lots of entire specific notes I have been given there. If you want a complete PDF regarding it, a complete PDF, generally handwritten note, I have made it out and I have given in the Telegram. There you can come and join over there, right? Application of proportion, you don't need to study. Acha. Chapter 15, similarity. Maximum things in the similarity you should not study. Chapter number 15. What? Now size transformation. You should not study. Application of BPT. What is BPT? Basic proportionate theorem, right? Application of BPT you should not study. No need to study. And the most important here, models and maps. No need to study models and maps of similarity. पढ़ाई करना कोई दरकार नहीं, ये डिलीट हो चुका ना. Personally, people used to secure a list of marks from this, and I am very thankful that this all things is deleted. And but you might be thinking that, अरे यार sir, why trigonometry as well as height and distance, quadratic equation, they are not deleted. I personally want that they should not get deleted, because if they will get deleted, you people will face problem in the 11th. Those who are going to take PCM, PCMB, right? Acha. Let us stick to the topic. Chapter 20. What is the chapter number 20? Chapter number 20, which is all about, I have forgotten chapter number 20. If I cannot recall. Mensuration. Yes, mensuration. Chapter number 20, mensuration. What? The first term has completely deleted. First term as well as sphere has been completely deleted. Yes. One more thing I left to say you children. Hemisphere. Hemisphere का जो exercise होता है ना बेटा, उसमें से example, the last वाला example, कौन सा example I will be talking about? The last वाला example is a couple of questions from hemisphere generally comes. But the general you people, many people are there. Those who are having a favorite chapter like, trigonometry is my favorite, statistics is my favorite, matrices is my favorite, linear inequation is my favorite, banking is my favorite, GST is my favorite. Generally, in the same way, board का favorite questions होता है. Generally, they keep giving the questions in the board in every year. That is from the hemisphere. I will be talking to you when the exam will come. Okay, when the exam will be coming, I will be talking. And the first term has been deleted. First First term has been deleted in the chapter number 20, mensuration. Chapter number 24, what is the chapter number 24? That is all about statistics. Statistics, chapter number 24, what? Only discontinued data. Only discontinued data. Only discontinued data has been deleted. Only discontinued data. What is there in the discontinued data? Like mode, median, mode. You have to present it more. Mean you have to represent it more. Mean, median, mode. Discontinued data has been only deleted. Acha. These are the chapters has been completely removed, and the most important, theorems are completely excluded. All the theorems are completely excluded. You should not study. Acha, circle ka jo hota hai. For example, circle is the chapter. Theorems is very important. In the chapter number 17, circle. What do people will do? So, theorem in the exam, theorem is not going to come. Proving ka theorem is not going to come, which has been excluded. Proving theorem, where shall I write here? Proving theorems is completely deleted. Completely deleted. ध्यान से सुनना बात बेटा. Theorems, my video is walking. Let me see a bit. Yeah. Just proving theorems is completely deleted. Is it clear? Acha. If the proving theorems is deleted, but the questions are generally will come in exam from the chapter number 17, even if 17 tangent of a circle 18, generally from there the question will come जो theorem से बनता है. The numericals, the problem which generally comes from theorem. That means indirectly I am saying you have to read it theorems. Without theorem you cannot understand, you cannot come, you cannot take it out the value. If you can take it out, the problems, if you can take it out the numericals is well, you are very God gifted. So theorems is you have to, that doesn't mean that I am saying that give a lots of importance to the theorem. No, only just you have to read it. You have to read it slightly, because without reading, to do the sums of circle, tangent of a circle, little bit, you may feel very difficult. So this is all about, and theorems is excluded. I personally like that. So whatever the CISC has made, the changes, I personally feel is a good change. It's a good change, a good move by them, and I am very pleased. And I want to know whether you are pleased or not. I want that everyone should drop a message in the comment box, and if you want to see more videos in the same way, you can go to the playlist. Physics, chemistry has been there. You can go and watch it. Till then, keep cheers, keep reading. If you have any kind of issues, you can text me. Thank you.